back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine 3 months post accutane and on Tretinoin. So I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to like and subscribe, and bye. This is the first day of accutane, November 2019. So here are some pictures of me after accutane. Yeah, so this is my skin right now. Today is November 23rd, and actually in like 20 minutes I have a dermatologist appointment. Yeah. Bye. Hey guys, so I just came out of the shower, and in the shower I used this oat cleansing balm and then this foam facial wash. Sorry if I have like a lisp, I just got my retainers. So yeah, so today's Monday. I'm going to be using an exfoliator, and I like to use it in a toner. And this is AHA, BHA, PHA 30-day miracle toner. This is like Korean skincare, and I love this. I've been using this for like a month. But yeah, I am breaking out. It's kind of like a Masque, I don't know, but I'm also purging from the Tretinoin. So yeah, I pat it. Yeah, so I pat it in. And this is good. This has niacinamide in it, which is awesome. I think it has tea tree oil. And yeah, I'll link everything down below. And I'll see you in a second. So first, I'm going to be using this. I love this so much. This is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. This is another Korean skincare product that I love. Basically, it's the snail slimy stuff. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but it's very hydrating. And I use this every day. It's also great for acne scars and just to repair your skin barrier. It's a great hydrating product. And most of the stuff I have you can find on Amazon, except like the high end moisturizer and stuff I have. But yeah, I like the pat. I'm gonna show you this vitamin C I just got like last week, and I've been using this for like a week and a half now. This is the May Love the Glow Maker Antitoxin Serum. It's a vitamin C, and yeah, I've been using this in the morning, but not at night because I don't want to mix that with my exfoliants. I'll just use this now. This is the Tea Tree Relief Serum. This is another Korean skincare brand. The Korean skincare stuff is recommended by Hiram, so yeah, I trust him. And I like this one. It's tea tree water, so it's not oil, and it has Centella acetica. Which basically is green tea. This is like a watery substance, and I really hate the lisp I have, but I have to get used to it. My tongue has to get used to it. Retainer. I'm gonna keep it basic tonight because I don't want to put too much on my face. And let's see, I'm gonna use my eye cream. This is the Serums I eye cream. I love this one. It really reduced my under eyes bags, and it lasts me a long time, surprisingly. I'm gonna use this. This is my favorite moisturizer for the winter and just in general. A good night moisturizer is a good thick one. The First Day Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Intense hydration. And I just love this moisturizer. You can also use it on your body. Even though I have oily, acne-prone skin, I still really like this, and it was a lifesaver during accutane. And never forget your neck. Hey guys, so I'm about to go to bed, and I just put a Mighty Patch on and a Peace Out pore strip. And yeah, good night. Hey guys, so it's Tuesday, and I look like a dork right now, but yes, and my skin is so bad. So tonight is Tretinoin night, and I do that Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. And first, I'm going to put some hyaluronic acid. My skin, usually I do it on damp skin, but my skin already dried. But I love this one. It's from The Ordinary. Hyaluronic acid and tretinoin are good to mix together because hydrating and plumping, hyaluronic acid helps the drying of the tretinoin. So what I've been doing with the tretinoin is doing a sandwich, which basically is moisturizer, tretinoin, and moisturizer. It helps with purging and sensitivity, and I learned this from Instagram. So yeah, let's see, first I'm going to put this. This is the Centella Calming Gel Cream. This is another Korean skincare brand. Okay, I have to let it sink in. And this is the tretinoin. I'm using the 0.025%. This is the cream. Before, like a couple years ago, I used the gel one, and that one was annoying. I only use, let's do a, should I do my thumbnail now? Yeah, so I only use a pea-sized amount. Rub it in. I always make sure to get here because that's why I have acne scars. Sometimes I put eye cream, I don't even know what I want to do. I'll just put the Serums I again. My favorite moisturizer. It's been in many videos. This one has good niacinamide and Serums I in it. Will be really good. The retinol. This is the last part of the sandwich. I have made the mistake before of layering too many products with the retinol and it peeled off. So I make sure to wait for everything to sink in and only use one serum before if I want to do a sandwich. Okay, so that's it for Tuesday. Bye. So I'm about to eat dinner, but it's fun. Hey guys, so it's after dinner and I just came back from the gym like, I don't know, like 30 minutes ago, and my face was very irritated from the mask, so you can see the dry patches and stuff. And debating on if I should use actives tonight. It's Friday, usually I do a like AHA, BHA, or lactic acid serum, so I don't know. I'm just gonna do it. So this is probably like my 3rd week of using this. This is the Ordinary Lactic Acid 5% plus HA. And yeah. So apparently you're not supposed to put retinol like close to your lips because it dries them out. And I learned that the hard way. So next time I do it, which is Sunday, I usually do it on Sunday, I will try to be more careful. So this is like watery. I just pat it. Oh, ow, it burns. Trying to get rid of my hyperpigmentation, acne scars, because they really bother me. How about not to breakouts? See, now I can speak better because I don't have my retainers in. Need some Aquaphor. I use this a lot. My favorite. My lips. Sometimes before I go to bed, I put this around like dry patches I have. This is like my 3rd bottle. Azelaic acid 10% by The Ordinary, and I use this in the morning, like days after I use retinol. And this is the Biosense Squalene Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. Now this was expensive, but definitely a good purchase. And I was gonna say, I got this like from like Mercari because I didn't want to pay the full price, so I got a discount. And I got it because it was recommended by Hiram, so I trust him. Because I hate fragrance, I'm so happy I stopped. I watched him and I stopped all of the bad skincare. Because once I started seeing his videos, I realized all the skincare I had was shit. So now I do not use any fragrance. And I know what alcohols not to use. So, yeah. Some eye cream. Okay, that's it for Friday, and I'll see you later. Guys, so I just came out of the shower. I used this micellar water, and then this cleanser. I used the gentle cleanser tonight instead of the foaming one, because as you can see, my face is very irritated and dry and peely from the retinol. So tonight, I'm going to be using this, the Instant Oatmeal Mask by First Day Beauty, because I need some hydration. Okay, so it's Saturday, and I'm not going to be using any actives today because my skin needs a break. So first I'm going to be using this Snail Mucin Essence. I love this shit. So good. Yeah. Less is always more. So I'm just going to use the Q10 serum by the Kayla. I love this shit. It's really good for calming my redness skin. And it's a really good antitoxin. Oh, it stings. I don't know why. But this one has been stinging lately. I don't know why, but yeah. We need some ceramides tonight. We need some nice ceramides because my skin is oily. And I'm so happy that in quarantine I learned a lot about skincare and how to take care of my skin. That is actually one of the beneficial things I got out of quarantine. And I find it very therapeutic. And to do my skincare and self-care is always important. And I don't know, I just always feel beautiful when I do my skincare. Yes. I'm gonna use some eye cream because some days I've been too lazy. But this definitely helps. I have some, oh fuck, like discoloration. I used to have like really bad dark circles. Helps. It says niacinamide in it. I think I already talked about this many times, but oh god, I'm a mess. And I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so it is Sunday, and today is retinol night. Okay, first I'm gonna be using this, my favorite. Doing the sandwich method. Moisturizer. Hopefully I remember this time to be careful around my lips with the retinoid. I call it retinol, but it actually is a retinoid because it's prescription, and only prescription ones are retinoids, I think. But yeah. Cute. Yeah. Pea-size mat. Make sure we get here. Get spots where I have pigmentation and breakouts, so I can kill those bitches. Okay. I have a pimple right on my eyebrows. Of course, I'm gonna use this. I like to use a thick moisturizer after I seal it all in. I love this. Shit, so good. They also have a good amount of First Day Beauty at Marshall's when I go, so if you're looking for that for a good price, go to Marshall. I love doing that. Neck. So I need some of this. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video of my skincare routine on Tretinoin. So I didn't record it, but Wednesday I didn't use any actives, and Thursday I did the retinoid, but I just didn't record it. But yeah, bye.